Ever looked at your bank statement and wondered where all those little fees come from? It can feel like death by 1,000 cuts, right? Well, today we're diving into the world of micro-investing and asking a crucial question for anyone looking to grow their money without getting nickel and dimed. Does Raiz have a bank fee? Now, for those unfamiliar, Raiz is a popular platform that lets you invest your spare change. You link it to your bank account, and every time you make a purchase, Raiz rounds up the transaction to the nearest dollar and invests that small amount. It's a fantastic way to dip your toes into the investment waters without needing a huge chunk of capital. The idea is that these small, consistent contributions can add up over time, harnessing the power of compounding. Think of it like planting a seed. A small start can blossom into something significant. But here's the catch, and it's a valid concern for anyone managing their finances: fees. We all want our money to work for us, not get eaten away by charges. So, let's get straight to the point. Does Raiz charge a direct bank fee in the traditional sense, like a monthly account-keeping fee that your bank might levy just for holding your money? The short answer is no. Raiz doesn't typically charge a direct fee that appears on your bank statement as a Raiz bank fee. You won't see a line item from Raiz deducting a fixed amount simply for having your bank account linked to their platform. However, it's important to understand how Raiz does make money, and that's through their own fee structure. These fees are charged by Raiz on your investment account balance, not directly by your bank. Think of it as a management fee for the service they provide, managing your investments, rebalancing your portfolio, depending on your chosen risk profile, and providing the platform itself. These fees are usually calculated as a small percentage of your total investment balance or as a fixed monthly fee for smaller balances. The exact fee structure can vary depending on the total amount you have invested with Raiz and the specific plan you are on. For example, they might charge a certain percentage per year for balances above a specific threshold, or a flat monthly fee for accounts below that. So, while you won't see a Raiz bank fee on your bank statement, the cost of using the Raiz platform is factored into your investment returns through their management fees. It's crucial to understand these fees and factor them into your overall investment strategy. Consider the percentage or flat fee in relation to the amount you're investing. For smaller balances, a flat monthly fee might represent a larger percentage of your returns compared to someone with a significantly larger portfolio. Therefore, while Raiz doesn't impose a direct bank fee, it's essential to be aware of their fee structure on your investment account. This cost is part of the equation when considering the overall value and returns you can expect from using the platform. It's about understanding the cost of the service that enables you to invest your spare change effortlessly. So, to circle back to our initial question, no, Raiz doesn't have a bank fee in the traditional sense. But they do have their own fees associated with managing your investments, which is something every potential or current user should be fully aware of. Understanding this distinction is key to making informed decisions about your financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.